Now, the next step in removing the material here is to use a chisel, and the first thing, and I'll work on the bottom face first. First thing I do is stick the chisel into that marking gauge line, and of course the angle of this is sloped in this direction, but I'm just going to go straight down with this. I'm just kind of protecting this back part first. Ooh. Well, a lot of that just came out quickly. And then I come back to the front, or the top face, and do the same thing. But I'm not going to go straight down. I'm going to go at an angle about like this. Okay, that's good. Now I've got to flatten that out, and the easiest way to do that is actually better for me to work in this direction, so I'll set up for that. Okay, I've set up in the vise here. Let me get that a little bit more level. And again, with a chisel, I want to flatten this while maintaining my edge on the bottom face and on the, or this is the bottom face, here's the top face. So I don't want to mess up those edges. I just want to remove material between those edges. And I like to, in this position, I can see what I'm doing, and I can get some good pressure behind the, good weight behind the chisel in this downward motion. Try to make sure I'm right out to the very edge with that flat, and that there's no mound in the middle that would hold the leg off from where it needs to be. Oh, I think that looks pretty good. All right. So now the next step is to put a leg in there.